Hello. Happy hump day. Today is Wednesday. This week going by fast. Hope everybody is safe. Finally, I'm bringing you my fruit compote recipe. You can use any fruit you want. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries to make this. So you just need your blueberries, fruit, however much you want. This is probably about 2 cups. I'm going to just do this whole thing. I'm just going to put a little bit of honey in there. Probably like one of this. This is 1/4 of a teaspoon, so just a little bit. But if you on keto, or if you don't do regular sugar, you could just do like maybe a tablespoon of honey. Just do it according to your sweetness. And then I'm gonna do like 2 to 3 tablespoons of this monk fruit. Basically, you get your saucepan, you add your sweetener to the mix, then throw in your fruit and cook it down. And then once it's cooked down, you mash it up to the consistency that you want. So let me get this started and I'll come back. So this is what it looks like with the sweetener: 1/4 of a teaspoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of the monk fruit golden sweetener. And then I'm gonna add my blueberries to this. I just added my blueberries to this. So now I'm gonna put it on the stove and cook it down. So now you see it has come to a boil. I just keep mixing it up, and then I'm gonna mash it up with my potato masher. So I mashed it up as much as I could, and I'm gonna just let it simmer for like a minute or so while I finish prepping my meal to break my fast. Okay, so this is it. I put it in this container, and it will thicken up once it goes in the refrigerator. I got a locked container, and you have to eat it probably from 7 to 10 days. It has to be eaten. I do 1/3 cup of my coconut yogurt with 1 tablespoon of this. And so I already put it into my Fitness Pal. I had to sit there and do all of these numbers and stuff, but it's already into my Fitness Pal for me to just click on it to get the macros of it. So yeah, simple, easy, and you do it with any fruit. Peace. Hello, I'm back. I'm fixing my dinner. So I wanted to show y'all the yogurt, how thick it's gotten compared to how loose it was when I first made it. So I just wanted to show y'all that. And then here's the blueberry compote. As you can see, it's thickening up a little bit. It's been sitting in the refrigerator for about 2 hours or so. So this is how I measure my stuff. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. And I have 2 servings of the yogurt, so it's 2 1/3 cups. About my cup. It's 2 1/3 cups, and I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of the fruit compote. So normally when I just do a regular serving, I just use 1 tablespoon. You see how it looks. I'm gonna stir it up. So this is how it looks when you stir it up in your yogurt. Delicious, delicious.